Alright, YouTube, check this out. I went and bought the Air Raid cold air intake with the standard size filter to go in the filter box. Why did I buy this kit instead of the kit with the cone shaped filter? I'll tell you why. The standard air box is already a heat shield. So if I add the cone and then you put the little bracket or whatever on there with the rubber seal at the top, there ain't no guaranteed seal, so sometimes hot air get in there. But with this, with the OEM box, I ain't gotta worry about the hot air getting in there. So I just bought the Air Raid intake with the standard size filter, put it in there, and I think this is all I need. This is enough for me to get rid of that bulky that GM cold air intake. I don't know what they be thinking when they do that, but that thing is ridiculous. I need to talk to some engineers and find out why did they make it, did they design it like that. Anyway, I'm just rambling. But yeah, to remove the old filter and add to remove the old intake, my bad, and install the new intake, is going to be a clamp right here, a clamp right here connected to the box, a clamp right here connected to the mass airflow sensor. You're going to take all of that off. So you're going to have to take the airflow sensor off the old one and add it to the Air Raid. You want to keep all of this loose because you need to slide this up first, tighten that, push this as far as you can go up, tighten that, and then wherever this lands at, tighten that, and then you come over here and tighten this. So you want to leave everything loose while you're installing it. Once you get it where you want it, tighten it up. All right, guys, I'm gonna give this a try. See if I feel any better horsepower or gas throttle response, and I'll let you guys know. All right, peace.